Hello, my name is Jacob Gomez, and this is my first solo project in Python. This app has been created using the Flask framework and uses MySQL database. When I first started lifting in college, I developed a close-knit group of workout buddies, and it was always fun to compete with them on all of the different lifts. Sometimes I wouldn't see them for a few days though, so it was hard to stay caught up on how much everyone was lifting. So at its core, this app is a fitness tracker that allows friends to create and join each other's groups so that they may post their 3 most recent exercises, the weight of those exercises, and their current body weight so that they can stay up to date with each other's workouts. I'll now go over the main features. This app features a login and registration page. After entering in all the fields, and once you register for the first time, hit the register button. This will automatically direct you to the page, which will display the groups that have been created. Once you're logged in, you can now create or join a group. You can currently create or join as many groups as you want. If you select the Create a Group button, you will then be prompted to either create a group name or go back to the dashboard, which displays all of the groups. If you select the Join Group button, you'll be prompted to either join the group, in which case you are successfully added to that group, or not to join a group, in which case you will be redirected back to the dashboard. If you select the View Group button, you will be redirected to that group's page. This page will be where all of the exercises you and other users have created will be displayed, and you can choose to create an entry, or you can go back to the dashboard. By selecting Create an Entry button, you will be sent over to a form which asks you for the exercise you performed, your weight lifted on that exercise, and your current body weight. This page also features a barbell plate calculator, as well as a dashboard button to go back. If you enter your desired weight into the area next to the target weight, it will give you the exact plate amount of each that you will need in order to reach that specific weight. You enter the weight, select Calculate, and the results appear. The button Calculate Another Weight redirects you back to the previous page. After you've entered all the info you want for the particular exercise, select Create Entry, and you'll be redirected back to the dashboard. You can now reselect the group that you made the entry in, and it will be displayed in that group. You will only be able to see each other's last 3 entries in order to cut down on the potential screen clutter. If you're the user that's created the entry, you may also delete or edit the entry. And that's the app in a nutshell. Some features I would like to add eventually are some JavaScript files that feature some overlays that give instructions on how to go about using the app. I would also like to make it more aesthetic by doing some custom CSS, something that I don't really have a lot of experience with yet. And things that went well included the concept and overarching ideas that I wanted to go into the app, especially when it came to file and folder structure and the specific tables that I used in the ERD. Some things that didn't go super great was the implementation of some of the logic when it came to only wanting to display the last 3 entries made by each user. Also, the organization of the project isn't very good, and I think there's still a lot of room for improvement when it comes to writing cleaner, neater code, more efficient code. Overall, I think I just need to keep going over more core concepts and creating more projects and trying to make small improvements from project to project.